Thank you. Yeah, like you gave it to her. Thank you. You got something? What do you have, Axel? Do you have a credit card? Okay, thank you. More stuff for Daddy. Oh, here you go. Oh, thank you, Axel. What's that, Axel? Is that a car? Daddy's camera? And phone? Not right now. I thought you were playing with stuff. Oh, what's Axel got? Oh, Axel has your mirror?
I need that.
You don't need this. Go play. Go chase Axel. I know you want up. Not right now. Go get Axel. What's Axel got? Axel has stuff from your purse. I know. No, not right now. Where's your rag? Axel's hiding stuff under the footrest? Sarah, go get Axel. What's Axel have? What does Axel have? Alright, Daddy's going to turn off his camera.